this is Raka and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to achieve monochrome plus dewy look. So monochrome look means that you are using only one color on your lips, on your cheek and on your eyelid. So if you are a college going girl, you have to attend classes, you have to study, you do not have that much time to apply makeup on regular basis. Same goes with working professionals or homemakers with kids. They do not have that much time to apply makeup. So in this video I'm going to share some techniques which does not require that much time, and you can just simply achieve it if you have hardly 10 minutes to get ready. Sometimes it happens that because currently we all are at home and anybody can request us to come on video and just go with video call or virtual call. So if you are doing your virtual date, or maybe you are going to attend an official call which is decided just half an hour before, so and if you have very less time, like 5 to 10 minutes, you can quickly achieve this monochrome or dewy look. You do not require so many products, makeup kits, makeup brushes. You just need 4 to 5 products, and what you just need require your favorite lip shade, your favorite lip gloss, your favorite mascara. I would prefer it should be waterproof and with volume and length, and you can use your favorite foundation. It could be mousse or matte finish, sheer finish, or if you love to use BB or CC cream, you can apply them as well. If you like to apply tinted moisturizer, that is also fine. If you want to go with bare skin, that is also fine. So if you have scars or fine lines on your skin, just go ahead with your foundation or tinted moisturizer or BB or CC cream. You can also use compact or loose powder if you have so much oily skin and you do not have that kind of matte finish foundation. You can set your foundation with that loose or compact powder. So yeah, let's start with the look. Toner is really important for our skin, because when we do the face wash, it opens our skin pore. So it is necessary to even your skin and to close those open pores. So this is completely optional step. It is something like, if you are feeling your skin looks very tired and your eyes are looking very tired, you can just take ice cube and wrap it with cloth and just can apply on your face. What it does, it reduces the open pores and also the redness on your skin. It's the time to apply moisturizer. Because I have oily skin, I use gel based or water based moisturizer. If you have dry skin, you should use cream based moisturizer, which makes your skin hydrated. So So I have applied it. I will wait for some time, few seconds or maybe a minute, and meanwhile I will apply eye cream, lip balm. The last but not the least is applying sunscreen. Yeah, sunscreen is really important. Now the question is, we are not going out, why we require sunscreen? We are using so many gadgets in our daily lives, like cell phone, laptop, TV, and they emit very harmful rays, which is not good for our skin. So it is always recommended to wear sunscreen even if you are at home. So now I'm going to apply foundation on my face. I'm going to take some generous amount and going to apply all over my face. I'm not going to use any concealer. I have applied foundation on my face and it is completely, my skin has perfectly absorbed all the product, and it has covered most of my spots and scars and unnecessary pigmentation. I do not require to apply any kind of compact powder or loose powder on my face, because the foundation is already matte finish and it is very light on the face, and it has already been set on my skin. But it's not necessary that you are going to use the similar product. So I'm going to share the technique that how you can apply the compact or loose powder on your face. Now ready and it is all set. Now you can just pick your favorite lip shade. Just make sure that it is not pure matte. It should be cream matte or gloss matte. You can go for nude colors, you can go with neon colors, you can go with tinted colors like orange. So I'm going to use pink shade to get this monochrome look. The first step is I'm going to rub the product between my fingers, and then I'm going to apply in the center of my lips. Make sure you're not applying the product, at the border, just inside, in the inner lip area. And do not apply all over your lips, just in the middle, and whatever which is left on your finger, just apply at the corner, inner corner of the lips. Now the same product I am going to use on my cheek. Then rub between my finger and thumb, and then just dab it. Do not over apply, just apply on your cheek. Now the similar shade we are going to apply on our eyelid. So while applying the product, make sure you are applying it at the center and at the corner. Do not apply in the inner side of your eyes. Alright, so now you can see that I have applied this pink shade on the upper lid of my eye. A little bit amount I'm going to use under my eyes, and I will not apply in the inner corner. So we are almost ready. Now the last step you just need to apply is mascara. So make sure that you have very good waterproof mascara with length and volume. Just give very nice stroke with your mascara on your lashes. Do not over apply it. Remove the extra product and then apply first in the center, and then in the corner. There. I have applied the mascara. Now the last step, which is again optional. If you have very good sculpted eyebrows, you need not to apply anything. If you have very messy eyebrows, you can just apply your favorite eyebrows pencil, or if you have a good eyebrow kit, you can just define your eyebrows. So I will just brush it. Usually on a daily basis I apply a transparent mascara for my eyebrows. I just apply a little bit amount on my brows and let it dry. So it gives very dewy kind of look to my face. Alright, so now you can see that we have achieved the monochrome look with minimal products and without any kind of makeup toolkit or brushes kit. So this is really easy. Now for example, you just want to achieve your dewy look, so you can just follow one extra step, which is applying lip gloss. So I have my favorite lip gloss with me. It has shimmer in it. If you have illuminator, you can just simply apply on your skin, and just highlight your face. So what I will do, I will just simply apply it in the middle. So rest of the amount I will just apply on my nose, the tip of my nose, and just dab it again. Apply a little bit amount just at the center of your eyelid. And if it fades out, what you just need to do, you just need to carry your lip gloss, go to washroom and reapply. Just highlight your face, and that's how you can achieve this dewy look. Thank you for watching this video. If you really like this video, just click on like button and share it with your friends, with your besties, your colleagues, your family members, and do let me know your experience with this look. If you have some suggestions or feedback, and if you have your own regime or tips and techniques to apply makeup in a shortest time, just do share it with me. I would be happy to apply those techniques in my makeup routine. So thank you very much, and just do subscribe my channel and just hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification.